Sure.
Look at oil, please. I believe we're still at $51 per barrel, down about $1.15 as we speak, 51.74. There's a background here to the OPEC meeting. We understand that they've agreed to cut production by 1 million barrels per day. That could change by the end of the day. 1 million barrels a day is not as much as expected for the cut. There's more background here. Did President Trump lean on the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia to keep oil prices down? Did that happen? Because President Trump has supported the Crown Prince over the Khashoggi murder. John Hofmeister is with us. He knows a thing or two about the world oil market. And I want to know this. Is the Crown Prince dancing to the tune of President Trump, or is he dancing to the tune of Putin, who we will meet tomorrow?
I think it's shifting to Putin.
Is it?
Look what the Senate did yesterday. The Senate took a very, very strong position on the Khashoggi with the report from the CIA director. I think that's going to have some pressure on, put pressure on President Trump to back off a bit on his support for MBS. MBS is now going to side with Putin. Neither Putin nor Saudi Arabia likes the oil price where it is. I think we're going to see a little bit heftier cut. It may not all come at once, but I think we're going to see a deeper cut than you expect.
Because the Russians, Putin, they want cuts to get the price up. Trump does not.
Vladimir Putin got the New York cold shoulder in Argentina.
Yep.
And it was very obvious to everyone. It was a clear cold shoulder. And for someone who lives outside...
From President Trump.
From President Trump.
But he did the high five with MBS.
Yeah, well, that was before the Senate hearings. Okay. I think the Senate hearings are going to have more weight than some people have given them.
Okay, so you do expect a further production cut by Saudi Arabia and maybe Russia to get the price up.
And I disagree with the president's position on keeping the oil price low, because we're right at the edge of ripping the heart out of the oil recovery. Okay. You know, we're only a year into a recovery, and it wouldn't take much for a lot of these companies to just say, okay, with these prices, we're going to strip capital out of our operating budgets next year. We're not going to produce what we thought we would produce. And now we're back to layoffs in the oil patch. And I don't think that's good for American oil companies. I don't think it's good for the future of the oil price. So by constraining the price today, we could be guaranteeing future higher prices because of the capital cutbacks.
It's fascinating. John, I'm sorry it's so short, but this is a loaded day in terms of news.
I understand.
Mr. Hofmeister, you're a good man. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.